Unlocking the Mysteries of Idiomatic Expressions in Formal Writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we are diving deep into the world of advanced vocabulary with a special focus on idiomatic expressions in different contexts. In this video, we will kickstart our journey by introducing you to idiomatic expressions in formal writing. This is a crucial topic for anyone looking to master the art of formal communication in English. So, let's get started. Before we delve into their use in formal writing, let's first understand what idiomatic expressions are. An idiomatic expression is a group of words whose meaning cannot be deduced from the individual meanings of its constituent words. In other words, the whole expression has a meaning that is different from the meanings of its individual parts. For example, the expression, break a leg, doesn't literally mean to break your leg. It actually means, good luck. Idiomatic expressions are important because they help in conveying thoughts and ideas more vividly and succinctly. They make the language more colorful and interesting. Moreover, they are often used in everyday conversation, literature, and various forms of media, which makes understanding them essential for effective communication. Although idiomatic expressions are commonly used in everyday conversation, their use in formal writing is a bit more nuanced. While it is generally advisable to avoid colloquialisms and slang in formal writing, some idiomatic expressions are widely accepted and used in formal contexts as well. For instance, expressions like, in the nick of time, meaning just in time, or, at the 11th hour, meaning at the last moment, can be used in formal writing because they are well established and widely understood. However, it is important to be cautious and ensure that the idiomatic expressions used are appropriate for the context and will be understood by the target audience. And that's a wrap for our introduction to idiomatic expressions in formal writing. Remember, while idiomatic expressions can add color and interest to your writing, it's important to use them judiciously and ensure they are appropriate for the context. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on idiomatic expressions in different contexts. Happy learning! Note: this is a script for an English language learning video and is intended for educational purposes only.